You know I'm a big fan of being able to listen to audio, and one of my favorites is this right here from Able Planet. These Clear Harmony headphones are something that I've carried with me around the world twice, and they are phenomenal. They hold up to everything. But these folks are coming out with even better stuff all the time. Matter of fact, some of the new developments that they've got right now, you're going to be amazing. And some of the applications that are out here, as we're finding out at this Consumer Electronics Show. And to find out about that, we have the chairman of the board and the president. Did I say your titles right, Kevin?
That's fine. Chairman, CEO.
Chairman and CEO, Kevin Smecken, and he is here to tell us about a new device you got here in your hand. A tiny little thing. Tell me, what does that thing do?
This product's called SoundFit, and what SoundFit does is it creates a custom fit inside the ear canal, so we can take from a cell accessory or earphone or wireless products or hearing aids, we can take the sound from outside and channel it down close to the eardrum. If you take a look at competitive devices, you can see that this is going to be far more effective in terms of delivery, and then as you push it into the ear canal, you'll see the back of it pushes back. That relieves all the pressure from the ear canal, creates a very custom and comfortable fit.
Yeah, I was going to say, it seems a little bit easier on your ear. That way you're not going to have the kind of pain that we've seen with other units.
That's exactly right. And you know, with other units, wireless units and things like that, what's the problems? You want to use them for all kinds of things. You want to jog with them. And you ever have something like this put into your ear and you start running, the first thing you're going to be doing is putting it back in, putting it back in. These SoundFit products will actually lock it into the ear canal very comfortably, slides very easily in, slides very easily out, delivers the sound close to the eardrum. SoundFit products will be at the very least 2 times louder than any other product on the market, which means you'll be able to turn the products down, which is the basis of all Able Planet products. You'll be able to turn the volume down, but still get very crisp sound. But in applications like cell phone accessories, where the volumes are very low, you could turn the volume up if you needed it in a noisy environment and turn it back down, extending the battery life.
Yeah, that makes sense. I can see a lot of application of that, but help me on business applications we'd see with that, because it seems like that would be enormously beneficial in many applications.
This has many applications. As I said, you can start with hearing loss and hearing aid products, assistive listening to products, earphones, sound isolation earphones, wireless products, and also we have versions for Formula One racing, emergency services, national security, because in the tip of the SoundFit you can embed, and we have working prototypes right now, that you can embed in one side a combination receiver, which is a speaker, most people would understand it as a speaker, and a microphone, and the other side of the ear has a speaker. So we can actually pick up your voice from inside your head and transmit it to somebody's cell phone, somebody's handset, or to somebody else's ear. And you can actually talk back and forth on Skype with the earphones lock in your ears, block out the exterior noise, and it would go from your head to my head, back to your head, everything happening inside.
Wow, that sounds really good. Now, if we could just use that in dating, you know, to go back and forth to the head, but that's a whole different thing, yeah. That could be scary. Good, great stuff. What kind of retail price are we looking at for these when they come out?
Well, ultimately, this is a disposable, so what we're looking to do is to have this available for $29.99, something like that. We're trying to get the price down. It's a very high-tech product, even though it looks very simple. So it would be a disposable that can go on the headsets or the earphones, and maybe you replace it once a year, and the acoustic performance is unsurpassed.
Very good. Now, if somebody wants to get more information on that, they can go to your website and tell us, what is that website?
It's www.ableplanet.com.
Very good. So if you want to find out about some of the cutting-edge technology that's available for hearing, for the headphones, like I mentioned, phenomenal stuff that can really help in a business environment when you're listening to podcasts, when you're listening and communicating over Skype, and a host of other things, check out ableplanet.com. I'm Terry Brock. Thanks for joining us.